Guys, let's go for a ride.
A few moments later.
Gambaksin kami ng kayak. Ganyan pala siya, haba. Oh. Yan siya. Oh my God!
Later.
Kailangan mo rin sumuot ng life vest para secured ka. Safe ka in case of emergency. Come on guys, samahan nyo ako sa aking kayak, bagong kayak. Let's go.
Eventually.
So yan siya guys, napaka-ano lang, napaka-dali lang siyang buhatin. Diba? Ano mga guys? sarap guys, ang sarap ng feeling na ito ba, parang namamangka ka lang sa ano, ilog-ilog, sa dalawang ilog.
Kanan. Kaliwa, kanan. Sarap ng alon ah. So guys, babalik ulit ako dito. Dahil wala akong pasok for 9 days. I think I'm going to come back here. For more fun. Fishing. Kasi yung pasok na yung fishing. Dahil ngayon ko lang siya nagamit.
One hour later.
I think sulit yung pera ko dito sa nabili ko. I'm very happy sa pagbili ko nito ng aking kayak fishing. Inflatable. So very relaxing siya, very comfortable, convenient. Maganda siya pang ano, pang swimming saka pang fishing. So kagaya kung mahilig ako mag-fishing, o mayroon na ulit, may gamit na ako. So that's all for now guys. Thank you very much and thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.
Bye, have a great time.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.